All people use energy. The lights in our homes, the engines in our cars, the batteries in our devices, all of these things use energy. The earliest type of energy came from fire. People burned wood to cook food and warm their bodies. Later, people began to use coal and gas for energy. Unfortunately, this causes serious problems for people and the planet. Burning gas and coal releases carbon. This carbon is now heating our planet and causing climate change. Sustainable Development Goal 7 is about changing how we get our energy. Instead of using things that hurt the planet, we should use clean and renewable energy. There are lots of ways to get energy that don't use coal or gas. The most common clean energies are solar and wind. SDG 7 is also about equal access to energy. This means that all people should have the energy they need to live happy, comfortable lives. There are still many people in the world with no electricity. It is important that we help these people to create their own clean energy locally.